You started lifting. You want muscle. You're putting in the reps. And somehow, it looks like you're intentionally canceling your own progress. Relax. I got you. Here are the biggest gym mistakes secretly stealing your gains. 1. Your workout is just gym accessories. If your entire workout is chest flies, leg extensions, lateral raises, bicep curls, congratulations, you're decorating the house before building the foundation. Isolation exercises aren't bad, but if they're your whole program, your progress will move at Wi-Fi from 2007 speed. You need compound lifts, bench press, squats, deadlifts, shoulder press. These recruit whole muscle teams. More muscles working equals more weight lifted. More weight lifted equals more growth. More growth equals you stop looking like you just started last week. Do compounds first. Use isolations as finishing touches, not the whole building. 2 machines versus free weights. The fake war. Free weights are not magic. Machines are not for beginners. Both build muscle. The problem? When your entire workout looks like you're stuck in a seated amusement park ride, machines are great for stability, targeting weak points, protecting joints, but they lock you into fixed paths. Sometimes that path feels smooth. Sometimes your joints are like, "Sir, we did not agree to this." Free weights let your body move naturally. And here's the big one. Machines babysit your stabilizers. Free weights make them work. Use both. Just don't train randomly like you're spinning a workout wheel. 3. Everyone in the gym is judging me. Your first gym days feel like a boss fight. Headphones on, hood up, giant dude deadlifting 4 times your body weight. You think, if I ask him for help, he'll vaporize me. Reality? He'd probably be honored you asked. Most gym people love helping beginners. They remember being confused too. Just maybe, don't ask the guy who's been scrolling Instagram for 45 minutes. 4. Everything feels like a warm-up. If all your sets feel easy, your muscles treat them like warm-ups. Muscle only grows when challenged, not when you repeat the same comfortable weight forever. Progressive overload means do a little more than last time. More weight, more reps, better control. You won't level up every week, but if the numbers slowly go up, so will you. 5. Ego lifting. Trying to hit a world record every session? That's how you speedrun injuries. The goal isn't lift heavy at any cost, it's lift heavy with control. 10 clean reps greater than 4 chaotic reps with a weight bullying you. Clean reps build muscle. Ego reps build physical therapy bills. Lock in the form first, then go heavy. 6. Motivation is fake. Here's the harsh truth. Motivation doesn't build muscle. Consistency does. You can have the perfect plan, but if you only train when the stars align and Mercury is in retrograde, you won't grow. Muscle takes years, not weeks. Stack small wins long enough, and results become impossible to ignore. Consistency is the real cheat code. 7. You forgot water exists. Some of you train with 0 water. Like you forgot your body is 60% of the stuff. You lose about a liter per hour training. No water? Cramps, low energy. Focus gone. Everything feels heavier. Dehydration is a built-in performance nerf. Bring water, drink, lift better. 8. Too much. Cardio is healthy, but if your goal is muscle, turning every session into a mini marathon isn't helping. You burn energy, recovery tanks, muscle growth slows, and most fat loss problems? It's not lack of cardio. It's the snacks sneaking into your day like ninjas. Instead, walk 8 to 10,000 steps. Low stress, burns calories, doesn't kill recovery. Simple greater than extreme. 9. You lift. But forget protein lifting is just the signal. Protein is the building material. No protein, no recovery. No recovery, no growth. For most people, 1.6 to 2 grams per kilogram body weight works great. Lift hard, eat protein. Stop pretending cookies are protein. 10. Blindly following experts. What works for your friend might not work for you. Intermittent fasting. Amazing for some, terrible for others. Test, learn, think critically. And if someone gives advice but never shows their physique, there's usually a reason. Stay curious. Avoid trendy nonsense. And if you made it this far without subscribing, that's actually mistake number 11. Good news. It's the easiest fix you'll ever make. Scientifically proven to increase gains by at least 47%. Probably. Click subscribe.